Hello students, welcome back to 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025 series in just 200 days. So today is Sunday and as promised every Sunday we release the mock test. So today we are having the mock test on the chapter Amines and Biomolecules, right? So I hope all of you would have downloaded the question paper from our WhatsApp channel or from the community post and have attempted the question paper, and now here you are to check the solutions. I request all my students to do not see the solutions without solving it. That is of no use. So please first solve the question and then come here. Okay, now you can check the solutions. I'll be explaining each and every solution and you have to assign 1 mark for every correct answer and 0 mark for wrong and unattempted questions. Okay, and after this video do not forget to comment down your scores. Okay, so now without further delay, let's get started with the first question. So the first question was, which of the following is a tertiary amine? So tertiary amine structure I hope all of you would know by now. So we have, this is tertiary amines, right? So triethyl amine has 3 groups attached to the N, so that is a tertiary amine. Correct answer is option number B here. Next, the IUPAC name for the given compound. So what is the compound here? We have CH2 double bond CH CH2 NHCH3. So definitely this is a secondary amine, right? And secondary amine name starts with N something, N ethyl, N methyl, right? Like that. And you see there is only one option in that way. So N methyl prop. So we have like this 1, 2, 3, right? N methyl prop 2 EN 1 amine. Correct answer is option number D here. Next, among the following, the strongest base in the aqueous medium. So if you remember, in aqueous medium we have, if the R group is methyl, the order is 2 degree, 1 degree and 3 degree. If R group is ethyl, okay, then it is 2 degree, 3 degree and 1 degree. Okay, so that is 2 degree. So you can see this is a 2 degree amine. So correct answer is option number C here. Okay. Next, which of the following is the weakest Bronsted base? Okay, weakest Bronsted base means what here? So if you see, these amine groups has to donate the electrons, right? Now, you need to find the weakest one. So if you see here, this lone pair of nitrogen is not available for donation because it is involved in resonance. Okay, so that is why this one will be the weakest base and correct answer will be option number A here. Okay, next, benzyl amine may be alkylated as shown in the given equation. Which of the following alkyl halides is best suited for this reaction through SN1 mechanism? So if you know SN1 mechanism follows what? Intermediate is there, formation of carbocation is there. So straight away it is asking you which of this carbocation will be more stable. So if you see this one, this is benzyl carbocation, we will get like this C6H5 CH2 plus, right? So that means this carbocation is highly stable due to resonance. So that one will have the fastest reaction, option number C. Okay. Next, which of the following reagents would not be a good choice to convert aryl nitro compounds to amines? So you want to convert aryl nitro compounds to amines. Okay, right? Then which is a suitable, not a suitable reagent? SnHCl we can use, FeHCl we can use in the Stephan reduction, H2 excess also we can use, but lithium aluminium hydride will not do this function. So correct answer is option number B here. Okay, next one, one second, yeah, next question. In order to prepare primary amine from an alkyl halide with simultaneous addition of one CH2 group, so there is an addition of one more CH2 group, carbon number has increased, then the reagent used as a source of nitrogen is. So remember, whenever you have to increase the number of carbon, the CN group should be used. Okay, cyanate group should be used. So that is treating with potassium KCN, potassium cyanide KCN. So if you have RX, okay, then you treat it with KCN. Okay, then you get RCN, right? Now if you treat it with LiAlH4, you get RCH2 NH2. Okay, so option number C will be the correct answer here. Next, the source of nitrogen in Gabriel thalamide synthesis of amines. So if you remember, what is the source of the nitrogen? We have this one, right? So this is what? This one, potassium thalamide, option number D. Okay. Next, amongst the set of the reactants, the most appropriate for preparing the secondary amine. So we want to prepare secondary amine. So if you take secondary RX and then treat it with amine, we get a mixture of products, right? Tertiary also will be formed, quaternary will also be formed. So this is not a suitable method. Now if you take secondary RBr and treat it with NaCN followed by H2 palladium, then you will get primary amine only. See, secondary amine is suppose there. Suppose I take NH and secondary haloalkane, right? So we'll see option number B first. Okay, B1 I'll check here. Suppose you have CH3, CH, Br, CH3, right? This is a secondary amine, a secondary haloalkane. Then you are treating with NaCN. So what will happen? This Br will change to, we have CH3, CH, CH3, CN, right? Then if you treat with hydrogen and palladium, what will happen? This one will get converted to CH2 NH2, right? So what I'll get here? I'll get here CH2 NH2, right? So this is again a primary amine. So this also is not the correct answer. Primary amine with RCHO. So if you see, we have RCOH, okay, and a primary amine. This is a primary amine. So if you treat it, what will happen? This one will go. I'll get RCH double bond NR. Now if you treat with hydrogen, what I'll get? This H will be added on both sides. You get RCH, then NH R dash. This will give you a secondary amine here, right? So correct answer has to be option number C. One second. Yeah, option number C will be the correct answer here. Okay. Next, the best reagent for converting 2-phenylpropanamide into 2-phenylpropanamine. Amides getting converted to amine using lithium aluminium hydrate, option number D. Okay. Next, best reagent for converting 2-phenylpropanamide to 1-phenylethanamine. So let us see this one, 2-phenylethanamide. So we have propanamide here. Okay, 2-phenylpropanamide to 1-phenylethanamine. Okay, so you have here ethanamine. Yeah. 1-phenylethanamine. So means what? This part is removed, right? So what we will get? This is called your Hofmann bromamide degradation. We need Br2 with NaOH, option number B here. Okay. Next, Hofmann bromamide degradation is shown by. So this is shown by amides. So this is an amine. This will not show. Nitro group will not show. Amine group will not show. Amide group will show. So option number B is the correct answer. Next, the strength of increasing order of basic strength for the following compounds is. You need to find the basic order. So in basic order, what you need to remember, that if we have electron withdrawing groups, okay, it will decrease the basicity. Electron donating groups will increase the basicity, right? So here CH3 group is there, which is a electron donating group. NO2 group is there, which is a electron withdrawing group. So what will happen? This basicity will be least one, right? So suppose this is your 1, this is compound 2, this is compound 3. So second one will be least. So you can eliminate these two options. Next, this one will be highest because it is having electron donating group. So 3 will be highest, so we will eliminate this one. Correct answer will be option number D here. Okay. Next, methylamine reacts with HNO2 to form. So if you remember, alkyl amines with HNO2 form your alcohols, whereas aryl amines with HNO2 forms benzene diazonium chloride. So alcohols will be there, CH3OH will form, option number C here. Okay. Next, the gas evolved when methylamine reacts with nitrous acid is your N2 gas is released as a byproduct. Okay. Next, we'll go for biomolecules now. Glucose is prepared commercially from the hydrolysis of dash by boiling it with dilute H2SO4 at 393 Kelvin under pressure. So, to prepare in to prepare under commercial method, we use the starch. Okay, so we do hydrolysis of starch to get glucose from commercially. So, correct answer for this question will be option number A here. Next, identify X in the following reaction. So, there is some X is there and you have done with hydrolysis and we are getting glucose and fructose. So, now you should remember which disaccharide gives you glucose and fructose. It is none other than sucrose, right? So, correct answer will be option number A here. Next, glucose on Felling's test gives. So, if you remember, glucose has a free aldehyde group, right? The open chain of glucose has free aldehyde group. So, it will give you both Tollens test and Felling's test, right? So, in Tollens test what happens? Silver mirror is formed, right? In Felling's test what happens? Red color precipitate is absorbed. Now, this red color precipitate is due to the formation of copper oxide, right? So, correct answer will be red precipitate, option number C. Okay. Next, the reaction of glucose with acetic anhydride confirms the presence of how many groups of glucose, how many hydroxyl groups in glucose. So, if you remember this reaction, we have CHO, CHOH whole 4, CH2OH, and if you react it with acetic anhydride, that is CH3COO whole 2O. So, what happens here? This OH group becomes acylated, okay. So, we get a product here CHO, CHOCOCH3 4 times, then CH2OCOCH3. So, how many OH groups are there? 5 OH groups are there. So, that will be, this tells you that there are 5 OH groups. We do not know whether it's primary, secondary, but it tells that there are 5 OH groups. So, correct answer is option number C here. Okay. Next question, HNO3. HNO3 is an oxidizing agent. It will oxidize CH, it's a strong oxidizing agent, right? So, what will happen? This primary alcohol will also get oxidized. This aldehyde group will also get oxidized. And what is the product formed here? The product formed here will be COOH, CHOH whole 4, then COOH. Okay. So, this is nothing but the structure is, this one is gluconic acid. Okay. So, correct answer will be option number A here. Okay. Next, proteins are polymers of. So, you know, many amino acids combine through peptide linkage to form polypeptides. When the number of amino acid is more than 1000 and the molecular mass is around 10,000 units, we call that as a protein. So, protein is made up of monomer units of alpha amino acids. Okay, option number A. Next, which of the following amino acid is aromatic in nature? So, histidine, if you know the structure, it is aromatic in nature, that is option number D here. Next, cysteine is a DAS amino acid. So, cysteine is one amino acid which contains sulfur in it, okay, that is the speciality. So, correct answer is sulfur containing, okay. Next, proteins are formed primarily from DAS bonds. So, if you remember, carbohydrates have which bond between them? Glycosidic. Proteins have peptide bond and nucleic acids have phosphodiester bond. So, correct answer for this question will be peptide. Glycosidic is present in carbohydrates, right? Then phosphodiester is present in nucleic acids. Then disulfide is present in your that is secondary structure of protein. Secondary structure. Okay. So, option number B will be the correct answer here. Next, which of the following bonds is not found in which of the following bonds is not found in fibrous proteins? So if you see phosphodiester bond, it is, just now we discussed, it is a part of nucleic acids, right? So correct answer for this question will be option number A. And we can find in the fibrous protein, it is a secondary structure, peptide bond, hydrogen bond and disulfide bonds. Okay. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? So be very careful whenever you are reading the question, whether the correct statement is asked, incorrect statement is asked, you should be careful there. Okay. So vitamin deficiency causes diseases. Yes, that is a correct statement, right? A deficiency causes you night blindness, C causes you scurvy, B causes beriberi, D causes rickets. So many diseases are there. Excess of vitamin intake is also harmful. This is also a correct statement. Vitamins contain amino groups. Okay, which of the statement is incorrect, right? But vitamins contain amino groups. So in vitamins we do not have any amino groups. So this is an incorrect statement. So correct answer for this question will be option number C. Okay. Okay. Next, vitamins can be produced by plants. That is the correct statement. Now let us see the next question. Vitamin B2 is also known as. So vitamin B2, the chemical name is riboflavin. So correct answer is option number D. Option number B, that is riboflavin. Okay. Next you have question number 28, that is RNA on hydrolysis does not yield which of the following. So if you know nucleic acids, okay, they are made up of what? Nucleotides, right? And each of the nucleotides is made up of what? A pentose sugar, okay, a pentose sugar. Then you have a phosphate group and a nitrogenous base, right? There is pentose sugar, yes. Nitrogenous base, yes. Phosphoric acid, yes. There is no amino acid. So correct answer is option number A. Now which sugar is present in the RNA? You need to comment down in the answer. Next, which of the following best describes cytosine? Okay. So cytosine is your present in RNA and DNA, present only in DNA. Okay, so if you know, first of all, it is present only in RNA, no, it is present in both. So we can eliminate these two options. Now out of pyrimidine and purine, so cytosine is a pyrimidine. Okay, so correct answer is option number A here. Okay, now let us see the last question of this test, that is identify the complementary strand of DNA primary structure. So you have A, T, G, C, C, G, A, T, C, right? So if you remember, A is complementary to T and G is complementary to C. So here it will come T. So first option has to be T, so we can eliminate all this. So the first correct answer will be option number B here. Okay. So yes students, that was all about this mock test number 7, where we have discussed the questions, 30 questions including amines and biomolecules. I hope all of you have solved these questions. Please, one more request, do not forget to comment down your scores. Let me know how you are preparing. Remember your target 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025. All the very best for your preparation. See you soon in the next episode.